we have to specify which type of graph we want to create. We want this type of graph, the candle graph is called the rectangle graph. So we want to create this graph. So for that, p, let's do it. Okay, so let's ignore this for now. RECT, and here we have to specify, you can ignore this for now, we will solve the error in the later, but now let's do it. df.index, and here you have to specify the value, and here we want the status. Okay, where is the status? Here we have created the status variable, so we have to pass this value. df.status equals to increase, INCREASE, increase. Then we have to give the middle value, df.middle, middle, and here, oops, not like this, status equals to increase, and after that, let's give some line break here. Okay guys, we want to specify the time here, and which is in the millisecond, but we want a value from day to day, from this. For that we have to specify, let's create a variable first. You have to convert the millisecond into 12 hour. Okay, so for that, 12 into 60 into 60 into 1000, and it has been converted into milliseconds. Okay, now let's pass this variable here, 12 hours comma, then df dot, you have to specify the height, HEIG, height, and here let's pass the status equals to increase, INCREASE. What this means, if the, let me just write the full line of code first, then I will explain you. Fill color equals to GREEN. So what this means guys, so when the index, when the index, when in index the status is increased, if the status is, if the status is increased, then the index value, we have to take this, the index value should be of opening price, and then the middle value should be taken as this, then we have to take R, it's compulsory, and we have to take the color green. So what this means, if the price goes up, then we have to use the green color. And now let's just create a border line also. Line color equals to, let it be black. Okay, now we have to do the same with the, if the closing price is more, so then we have to do it like DECREA. Oops, okay, let's do it like this, DECRE, DECREASE, decrease. Let's copy this and paste it here. and here, and change the color to be red. Okay, now everything is done, but we have to output the file now. Output underscore file, and let it be stock.html. What is happening here? And we have to show the graph. Show p. Let's see. Okay, we got some error in line 2. Okay, I have to put here this cell, the error in line 9. Okay guys, I have to forget to put this square bracket here, and we have to put it here also. So let's put here, and one more thing is that you have to put equals to sign here, here, and here also. Equals to sign here, equals to sign here. Okay, fill color is not defined. I'm really sorry guys, we are getting the error because of this square brackets, and we have to remove this. Sorry for that. And if I run it, still the fill color is not defined. Okay, you have to remove it from here also, and hope it will run fine. Yep, it's working fine now. Here you can see we got the graph, and it's looking nice. So the graph has been completed. So that's all for this tutorial, and hope you have understand this, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.